everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, CarolinaTrailerSales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can reach me at 828-773-4500. This is an Exiss, a 2005 SS 310. So this is a 8 wide, 7'6" tall, 10-foot short wall, full living quarters. It is all aluminum. Kind of go around, so it's got a stainless nose. It's got dual hydraulic jacks, spared, 2 propane tanks. It's got an escape door with a flip-up step, 2 manger doors, drop-down windows with bars. Does have a rear fold-up ramp. It is all aluminum. It's a 25-foot box, so it's a good size. It's got saddle racks, blanket bars, bridle hooks on the door, blanket bars inside. Alright, it does have a lower divider. This last divider is telescopic. It does have roof vents. Padding on the chest at the divider, or at the mangers. First style, they've put some bridle hooks and blanket bars on the wall. The walls are insulated. Oh, sorry. The roof is not. Horse box is in excellent shape. No real issues. There's not even tearing along the back side of the horses, which is atypical in these trailers. Hard to do stuff by myself, so I can't get that shut. Right, back and back up. So the roof vents are open. I need to get those shut, but I'm too short. Alright, coming back around. It does have stickers on both sides that say names. Those will not come off, so cosmetically, the only thing I can flaw it for is it's got some stickers there. It does have a big awning. All in all, the trailer is in excellent shape with no major issues cosmetically on the outside whatsoever. Horse box is in excellent shape. So, stepping in the LQ. It's probably a little wobbly today, guys. All right, so it has the dinette that makes a bed, cabinets above, cabinets in the nose. Does not have a mattress. Probably a queen size would fit in here. It is a rear kitchen. Microwave cabinets, sink, small fridge. Stand on the steps up here and kind of give you a visual of floor space. I'm in the expanded. Bathroom's a good size. It has a really nice big corner dome shower, sink and vanity. Walk-through door, does have a fan. Open that up. Big closet here. Alright, so 2005 Exiss. 10-foot short wall, full living quarters, 8 wide. We put this one in excellent shape for its age. guys. Dinette does make a bed. All right. Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. We are by appointment only. You can reach me at 828-773-4500. My name is Ashley.